What's up friends, welcome to another video. So today video is going very special for a holder of all crypto. So crypto life has gone very lost, and those days our crypto markets totally lost 10 billion US dollar lost in the last 2 days. So this is very bad news for all crypto holder, the Bitcoin and Storm X, these two cryptocurrencies totally lost very high chance. This is absolutely very fastest cryptocurrencies, but and those 2 days, I don't know why they end lost. As you can see here, the crypto for top cryptocurrencies this time, you can see here the Bitcoin price is totally, and the chant for they're gone very fastly down. The price has come down for 58 to 82 US dollar as the latest price of one Bitcoin. So you can see here the Ethereum is also in the loss totally, but Bitcoin also gone up in those days. Okay, so Ethereum has also gone down 0.79% goes down. But if you can check out the Binance coin as and also and gone very fastly jumping. They are gone like a rocket. You can see here back changes for our Binance coin holder. Congratulations, the Binance coin price as 4.467 US dollar. Everybody know this, 467 US dollar. Okay, so come down, and the small cryptocurrencies, these are the three top cryptocurrencies with the top, and the one as unlosting and two as going very fastly. So you can see here the XRP, this time XRP and Cardano, these two cryptocurrencies are very fastly growing, Cardano and XRP. Yes, XRP going fastly. You can see here the chart is as 1.04 US dollar, but this time I think the price has come down. When I see the last time the XRP price is 1.9 US dollar, but this time you can see here they convert into 1.04 US dollars. So the price has come down, but I think they again taking jumping start, 0.34% they're going up, the price is going up. So if you check out the Cardano price is also come down. You can see here the Cardano price is also come down 1.2 US dollar as the latest price, and you can see here the chant minus 1.96 percent they gone down. So this is very bad news for Cardano holder. But I think, and the just in upcoming days at the mid of this month, I hope the Cardano going up. The Cardano, my expectation is very good. I am also Cardano holder, therefore I'm very excited to see the Cardano result. Okay, so let's come out the channel link result. The channel link is also gone down. This is the top 10 result number. You can see here the 10 and the crypto market. Okay, so you can see here channel link as totally the price is come down from 35 US dollar to 31 US dollar. Very back change, and the price minus 4.02% they gone down. So the best cryptocurrencies for buying this time, which currency is good for buy? I explain you. Okay, this time I think the Cardano is one of them and the top cryptocurrency for buyers. Please buy Cardano, invest and make a good money in Cardano. So this is one of the best cryptocurrency, and the second one is also XRP. XRP is one of the best cryptocurrencies to you investor and make money very fastly. Invest please. And the third one as one of my favorite, just a minute, Stellar XLM. Stellar XLM is very fastest cryptocurrencies, but they cannot in a top 10. I hope they cross the top 10, but they take some time. So you can see here Stellar XLM is very good chance in the price, and they make you a millionaire. Absolutely, the price is very low. Please buy it and hold it and wait for the good time to they can give you 1 US dollar or 2 US dollar, then sell it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's news. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates of all cryptocurrencies. Please subscribe this channel, and also like this video if you enjoyed. Allah Hafiz, take care.